Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making something rich, velvety, and dangerously chocolatey. A chocolate mousse cake. It's one of those desserts that looks fancy but is actually super simple if you know the steps. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll know all the steps. Alright, let's start with the base. Grab about 150 grams, or 5 ounces, of cookies. Crush them into fine crumbs. If you've had a stressful week, this part is basically therapy. No bill required. Next, we need some melted butter, about 80 grams or 3 ounces. Melt it gently over a water bath. Don't rush it, don't microwave it to death. We want smooth, glossy butter. Pour it into the cookie crumbs and stir until you've got something that looks like sandy cookie dough. Now, take a springform pan and press that mixture into the bottom. Even it out. Make it nice and flat. That's our crunchy base. Pop it aside. Now comes the mousse filling. And oh man, this is the star. In a large bowl, pour in 250 milliliters of cold, heavy cream. Add 50 grams of sugar. That's about 1/4 cup. Whip it up until it's thick and fluffy, with stiff peaks. Basically, it should stand up tall like it's proud of itself. Time for part 2 of our mousse, the chocolate. In a saucepan, warm up 100 milliliters of cream on low heat. Don't let it boil. Toss in 160 grams of chopped chocolate, about 6 ounces. Stir slowly until it melts into a smooth, glossy ganache. Give it a moment to cool down. You don't want to scramble your whipped cream later. Now comes the fun part. Fold the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. Gently, no rushing, no whisking, just smooth folds until everything becomes one big bowl of chocolate heaven. Pour that mousse onto your cookie base, smooth the top, and slide it into the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. Yes, I know. Waiting is hard. But trust me, it's worth it. All right, the moment of truth. Take it out of the fridge, release it from the pan, and dust it with a little cocoa powder on top. And there you have it, a creamy, rich chocolate mousse cake that's guaranteed to make you the favorite person at any party, or just in your own kitchen. Thanks so much for baking with me today. If this video made you hungry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your favorite dessert buddy. See you next time, friends.